In front of me is CUBOT Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. When you finished, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings in the pop-up. Now you need to adjust all of those settings under Alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back and to create a new alarm, use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour and hit OK. Finally, adjust all of those options however you want to as well. Let's start with label at the top. Just click on Add Label, type in wherever you want to and hit OK to save your alarm's new name. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to Pause Alarm. Then pick a date and hit OK at the bottom right corner. Now you need to click on this remove button next to your date if you wish to get rid of it. Following that, click on bell icon, download one of those sound sources or hit dismiss. If you downloaded one of them, you can click on it at the top, log in to your app and use music from it. If you want to, you can also select sounds, click on Add New and tap on any song from your smartphone. If you don't want to do that as well, just tap on one of those default melodies. Like for example, Neon. Then click on those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine to disable or enable vibrations and add or remove your alarm from Assistant Routine. To hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner of your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it and turn it back on by clicking the same now gray one. If you want to, you can also click on the same icon at the top right corner, make changes to your alarm or even delete it by clicking on this pin at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!